Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pavoni professional espresso machine. We just did a tune-up to this machine, replacing the sand glass, all these gaskets as well as the base. And unfortunately this is not the original portafilter of the machine, so we're gonna just borrow one from another machine. It's not gonna be exact application of how the coffee is gonna come out, since they develop a unique water pattern on each portafilter. So let's try one shot, but first let's try the steamer. As you can see, good pressure, and now a shot of espresso. As you can see, good crema, working perfectly fine. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this every day.